for the time. Good evening, everybody. I want to present my research, the research of PISA, my research with the title "The Effectiveness of Cell Mucus and Chitosan as Biological Response Modifiers, Immunostimulatory or Lymphocyte Proliferation." My name is Agnes Singanti, with Mrs. Rahajan Putri Mino, Mrs. Moni Puspawati, and Mr. Yusuf Subagi Sukanto. My institution from Universitas Kusuma Husada Surakarta. We know cell mucus of snail contains bioactive compounds as glycan, peptides, glycopeptide, and chondroitin sulfate. Chitosan as a result of chitin derivation has some hydroxyl groups and amine groups which can act as antimicrobial. The substance that can stimulate the immune system is called biological response modifiers. The research objective, the aim of the study was to determine the effectiveness of bioactive compounds, snail serum mucus, and chitosan as biological response modifiers on lymphocyte proliferation. Material and methods. The research was conducted in the Pharmaceutical Laboratory Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta and LPPT Gadjah Mada University. This study was reviewed by the Health Research Ethics Commission Muadi Hospital, and the research method include isolation serum mucus of snail and the synergistic effect of bioactive compounds, snail serum mucus, and chitosan as in vitro BRA against lymphocyte proliferation using the MTT reduction method in vitro. Result and discussion. Isolation serum mucus of snail. We use local snail samples with average of 19 and 19 gram were obtained from local culture, placed in the plastic container at room temperature, and fitted cabbage. Serum mucus of snail are collected by opening the end of the seal, and the liquid that comes out is taken in the flash container and centrifuged 3000 RPM for 30 minutes as embolite fluid. Proliferation of lymphocyte. The measurement of the effectiveness of snail serum mucus and chitosan toward lymphocyte proliferation with the MTT reduction usage. This is the result. We can see the cumulative effectiveness of snail serum mucus and chitosan on lymphocyte proliferation. The group, 3 groups: chitosan, serum mucus of snail, and the combination chitosan and serum mucus of snail with ratio 1.1 and comparative with positive control and negative control. This is the figure of lymphocyte proliferation, can be seen by the microscope. You can see and the result. Snail serum mucus, chitosan, snail serum mucus and chitosan, compare negative control, positive control, and media control. You can see the activation of lymphocyte proliferation. That's the significant result, optimum of the snail serum mucus and chitosan. The result of the one-way ANOVA analysis show the p-value of 0.0. So the p-value under 0.05, there were significant difference between the treatment groups. The results show that the addition of chitosan 65 microgram per milliliter and snail mucus 65 microgram per milliliter, and the mixture chitosan with snail mucus ratio 1:1 could increase lymphocyte proliferation simultaneously with optimum. Meanwhile, the most optimum lymphocyte proliferation activity was the mixture of chitosan and snail mucus ratio 1:1, even exceeding the positive control. We know the presence of snail Lacero-mucous bioactive compound is extremely as an antibiotic candidates, namely the presence of bioactive compound that are antioxidant, anti-cancer, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. This indicates that the combination of snail Lacero-mucous and chitosan is effective as a BRM, biological response modifiers, and has the potential as the candidate for the anti-inflammatory cell therapy drugs, so further research is required. The conclusion, there is a synergetic aspect of the bioactive compound. Seromocostel 65 microgram per milliliter and chitosan 65 microgram per milliliter, and therefore combination ratio of 1.1 to the optimum lymphocyte proliferation. The potential of Seromocos and chitosan as effective PRA, immunostimulatory, and candidate for anti-inflammatory drugs. Notes one, author, we are thankful for all participants, especially of the Directorate of Research and Community Service of Indonesian Ministry of Research and Technology for supporting funding through higher education fundamental research PDRT grant with the contact number. Okay. Thank you for the attention.